it's Baby Android here. So, recently, Huawei revealed its two flagship smartphones including the Huawei P60 Series and the Huawei Mate X3 foldable phone. However, it seems the Huawei P60 Pro smartphone is getting a lot of popularity inside of China, as according to the latest news, the Huawei P60 series sold out online, offline and even on third-party stores within a few days of the first sale. And guys, due to the high demand and the Huawei P60 series popularity, it has become quite challenging to find these smartphones in the stock. Many users have reported long lines and wait times when attempting to purchase the phone in offline stores or online through the third-party e-commerce platforms. Even those who are fortunate enough to purchase the phone have reported extended delivery times for certain colorways, with some users having to wait up to 10 days for their phone to arrive. And looking at to the popularity meter, the Rocco white color is the first choice for consumers and everyone wants to get a unit. Meanwhile, a new sale has been announced for April 3rd and consumers can grab a new device as soon as they can tune on to all of the sales corners. So it's truly breaking all the records of sales inside China. So with that said, if you don't know, the Huawei P60 series comes with 4G connectivity, but now new cases are finally here to enable 5G connectivity on this flagship. That's why you don't have to worry about 5G network access anymore. This case is made by the Chinese electronics maker Huawei and it is available for both the P60 and the P60 Pro phones. The case works with the eSIM in place of the main card. All you have to do is to put on this accessory on the P60 and it will automatically pop up the setup wizard with on-screen instructions. And this is a high quality case and has a built-in charging port that supports the latest 88-watt super fast charging feature for both of the models. So yeah, I would say Huawei sorted every issue with their phones except the Google services. And it is insane to even think that without Google services, the smartphone is making a huge noise in the sales department. And it will launch in the global markets really soon. So yeah, what do you think about this amazing looking phone? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.